Hello friends, welcome to Trip Grill India. Today we are going to make vegetable kofta curry. To make this curry we would be requiring all these ingredients. So let's get started. As you can see, I have taken one large banana, one potato, one carrot and green peas. Now we will boil all these vegetables in a pressure cooker, adding some salt to it for up to 2 to 3 whistles so that it will be easy for us to smash all these vegetables. Alright, so our vegetables are boiled. Now we will smash it properly and then add a couple of more ingredients to it. I am adding 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of dry mango powder, 1 teaspoon of jeera powder, 3 to 4 tablespoons of maida, 2 teaspoons of corn flour, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder and 1 teaspoon of red chili powder. Now let's mix all these ingredients. Now I'm adding besan to it so that it gives a nice consistency to the dough. We have prepared small ball-sized kofta by greasing hand with oil. Now we will be deep frying all these kofta balls on medium hot oil until it turns golden brown and crispy. Now you can see all our kofta balls are ready. Now we will start curry preparation. For this, I am heating a pan and adding 2 tablespoons of oil to it. Once the oil is heated, add 1 green chili and 1 onion and saute all these ingredients well. And if you wish to add ginger garlic paste, please add that in this step. Now I will be adding chopped tomatoes. I'll fry these tomatoes until these tomatoes turn mushy. Now I'm adding 7 to 8 cashew to it and will continue to saute, and we will wait for the mixture to completely cool down so that we can transfer this mixture to a blender and blend it to a smooth paste. So as you can see, I've removed the onion tomato mixture from the pan. To the same pan, I've added 1 tablespoon of oil and 2 tablespoons of butter. We will let the butter melt completely before adding the other masala. So our butter is melted. To this I have added 1 teaspoon of cumin, 2 cardamom, 1 cinnamon, 2 clove and finally 1 bay leaf. Now keeping the flame on low, we'll be adding 1 teaspoon of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder and half teaspoon of cumin powder. Now we'll saute all these spices until they turn aromatic. Further to this, I'm adding onion tomato puree. Now we'll cook the mixture until it starts to thicken, followed by adding some salt and turmeric powder to it. And we'll let this masala cook until oil separates from sides. So now you can see the masala is done. It's well cooked and it has started separating oil as well. Now I've added water. I've added 1.5 cup of water. We'll let this curry boil for almost 5 to 10 minutes. And now I'm adding kasturi methi. I'm adding 1 teaspoon of kasturi methi and half teaspoon of garam masala. Now mix well. Now I'll be adding all the koftas and we will let it cook for another 5 minutes on low flame so that the koftas can soak the gravy well. So vegetable kofta curry is ready. Finally garnish it with coriander leaves and it's ready to serve. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.